Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox. Use the browser or mobile app and go directly to your profile icon. Once there, open Settings or Account Settings. This is where privacy and ad options live. Make sure your age and email are accurate, because age under 13 restricts ad personalization. After confirming details, scroll to the privacy or personalization sections so you're ready for the next changes. Don't pause. These first steps place you where the ad controls actually are. Once in Settings, navigate to Privacy, Security, or Ads. Roblox occasionally moves labels, so scan carefully. You're hunting for toggles named Personalized Ads, Interest-Based Ads, or Data Sharing. These control whether Roblox or partners tailor ads to you. Toggle each relevant switch to off. If you're on mobile and don't see options, tap Advanced Settings or More. Those reveal hidden controls. After switching off personalization, pause to confirm each toggle shows off. Before moving to finalize, you finish by saving or confirming the changes. Click Save, Apply, or simply exit if the interface auto-saves. Once done, log out and log back in to ensure settings register. If personalization persists, clear your browser or app cache and try again. Stale data often blocks updates. As a troubleshooting step, if toggles revert or won't stick, record your account ID and contact Roblox support for help. Make sure to explain what you changed and when, so they can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.